The centre has informed the Supreme Court that the names of 44 judges for appointment to the higher judiciary will be processed by tomorrow and sent to the apex court soon. Making a submission on Friday, Attorney General of India R. Venkatramani told the bench of Justices Sanjay Kaul and A.S. Oka that things are under process and the government will stick to the timelines. The AG told the bench that he is personally looking into the 104 recommendations from High Court collegiums pending with the centre, and 44 of them will be cleared soon and will be forwarded to the Supreme Court collegium. In a significant step forward for equal rights for the LGBTQ, the Supreme Court has agreed to take up the petitions pending in different high courts demanding legal recognition for same-sex marriages under the Special Marriage Act. A bench headed by Chief Justice of India Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud asked the government to file its response to the petitions by the 15th of February and directed the case to be listed for directions on March 13th. The bench observed that it would make sure that all the pleadings are complete. A host of petitions demanding legal recognition for same-sex marriages are pending in high courts in Delhi, Gujarat and Kerala. All these petitions have now been transferred to the Supreme Court of India. A special magistrate court in Mumbai today issued a non-bailable warrant against Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut for not appearing in court despite repeated orders. On Friday, Raut's lawyer Sunny Jain had moved an application seeking exemption from appearance in the hearing of a defamation complaint filed by BJP leader Kirit Somaiya's wife Medha Somaiya. Somaiya's lawyers had opposed the application. After hearing the contentions of both parties, the magistrate issued the NBW. Sanjay Raut's lawyer Sunny Jain immediately got in touch with the Sena MP, who rushed to the court to get the NBW cancelled. The court has now asked Sanjay Raut to appear again on the next date of hearing, which is the 24th of January. The Supreme Court on Friday set aside the Meghalaya High Court order that had put a stay on the Memorandum of Understanding between Meghalaya and Assam to resolve the long-standing interstate boundary dispute between the two northeastern states. The top court issued a notice to the concerned parties on the plea filed against the High Court order. The two state governments on Friday had moved the Supreme Court, challenging the orders of the High Court, staying the Memorandum of Understanding signed by the CMs of the two states for settling their boundary dispute. While hearing a PIL on the issue of enforcement of guidelines for road safety on national highways, state highways, and roads in urban cities across the country, the Supreme Court on Friday asked all relevant stakeholders to convene a meeting within 2 weeks and apprise the court about what steps had been chalked out to ensure proper implementation of rules for electronic monitoring and enforcement of road safety guidelines. The case will now be heard in the first week of February for further direction.